A warm welcome to our valued partners. Going deep into the production line, showcasing the heart of our high-pressure hoses. From robust 4 to 6-layer spiral winding, to flexible 1 to 2-layer wire braiding. Where quality is proven, our lab is the guardian of every hose that leaves our factory. The moment of trust. An on-the-spot annual supply contract, signed. Thus, a new chapter of our partnership begins. Cheers to a win-win future. Visit us or place your order. We are ready for you.